We've cleaned out all the rotten wood that we could get to and find. So we had to take the sill plate back to there. You can see where that's clean wood now. So all this was rotted. We had to take out this 2x8 here. And now so we swept everything down. And what we're going to do is repair all the brickwork. Concrete fiber reinforced mortar. And so that'll be our first step, is to rebuild all this. Put a coating on there, maybe add a little bit of side to it. And then over here we'll coat this. The first one I'm going to do is water it all down. So I want to get off, I already swept it off, but I want to get any dust off, and plus I want everything wet so that the mortar can stick down. So I'm just going to water it all down here, and we're going to keep doing it until we get it all done. So that's enough that we can get started with. I mixed the concrete really pretty loose, maybe too loose, maybe too much water. Well, maybe not. No, it looks okay. I'm going to mix some more of the water in so it's nice and liquidy, but not too much. You can always add a little bit more water as you go. What we'll do is put it down here. I pulled out any loose bricks too. You want a good coating. I already did this side over here. So what I'm going to do is take this over and go on the edge some. I'm going to tie it all in together. I did that from below because I wanted this corner really solid. Really all of our weight is based on this foundation where we extended it here, we're going to extend it into here. We do have supports down there, but really the best support is right here. So we'll work on this for a while, and then we'll come back and show you